Welcome to Community Arts. Today we will be doing Gerhard Richter mini frames. Please cover tables before beginning. Lay out your small paper, popsicle sticks, and aluminum foil. Using a small popsicle stick, place the first color across the top of the paper. Be careful not to use too much paint. Scrape the paint across the paper using your popsicle stick. Allow the paint to dry a little bit before moving on to the next color. Turn your paper around and using a different popsicle stick, place a different color at the top of your page again. Scrape the paint down. Repeat these steps as many times as you want. Allow the paper to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Grab your frame and find an area of the painting that sticks out to you. Grab your scissors and cut out the area you picked. Use the frame to measure how much to cut. Finally, tape to the back of your frame.